Nervous system. Divided into central nervous system CNS, peripheral nervous system PNS, autonomous nervous system ANS, like human being. Peripheral nervous system consists of 10 pairs of cranial nerves in human being, 12 pairs. And 31 pairs of spinal nerves in human being, here 10 pairs of spinal nerves. So autonomic nervous system divided into sympathetic and parasympathetic like human. So CNS consists of brain and spinal cord, forebrain. Prosencephalon, largest part of the brain, and olfactory lobe, cerebral hemisphere, and diencephalon is. Olfactory lobes contain a small cavity, that is olfactory ventricle. Midbrain consists of oval optic lobes and has cavities, that is called optic ventricle. Hindbrain consists of cerebellum, medulla oblongata. So olfactory lobe, cerebral hemisphere, pineal gland, diencephalon, என்னென்ன பார்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு இந்த பிக்சரை வச்சுக்கிட்டு பார்ட்ஸ் எழுதுனா போதும். ஃபோர் பிரெயின்ல என்ன இருக்கு, மிட் பிரெயின்ல என்ன இருக்கு, கைன் பிரெயின்ல என்ன இருக்கு. ஃபோர் பிரெயின் என்னெல்லாம் இருக்கு, olfactory lobe, cerebral hemisphere, pineal gland, diencephalon, optic lobe. அடுத்தது cerebellum, கைன் பிரெயின், அப்புறம் medulla oblongata, அதில் fourth ventricle இருக்கு. ஸோ இதை வந்து படித்தா போதும். Excretory system. Elimination of nitrogenous waste and salt water balance are performed by well-developed excretory system, a pair of kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and cloaca. So kidneys are mesonephric kidney. It extracts nitrogenous waste from the blood and excrete urea. So frogs are called ureotelic organism. Thin-walled, unpaired urinary bladder is present ventral to the rectum and opens into the cloaca. Reproductive system. Male frog has a pair of testes which are attached to the kidney by mesorchium. Vasa of afferentia arise from each testis, enter to the kidney on both sides and open into the Bidder's canal. It communicates with the urinogenital ducts, comes out of the kidney and opens into the cloaca. So this is the male and excretory systems are united together here. So this is the male reproductive. Above the kidney, testis is present, and from that vasa efferentia arise. It is penetrate into the kidney by Bidder's canal, and then sperms enter into the kidney and ureter, urinary bladder and comes out through the cloaca. Okay. Female reproductive system consists of paired ovaries that also attached to the kidney by a tissue called mesoovarium. A pair of coiled oviducts lying on either side of the kidney. Oviduct opens into the body cavity at the anterior end by a funnel-like opening called ostia. Posteriorly, oviducts dilated and form ovisac. Ovisac store the egg temporarily. So egg hatch into tadpoles. Newly hatched tadpole lives off the yolk stored in its body. So gradually grow larger and develops 3 pairs of gills. So that stage is called external gill stage. Then it is transformed into internal gill stage. Then tail and gills disappear. The mouth broadens, developing teeth and jaws, and the lungs become functional. So this is the structure of female reproductive system. A pair of ovary, it is attached to the kidney by mesoovarium. And the ovaries are matured inside the ovary and released into the abdominal cavity. So at the sides of the kidney, a pair of oviduct is present. So the anterior part of the oviduct is form a funnel-shaped structure that is called oviductal funnel. And the middle part is coiled and the lower part is bulged, and that is called ovisac. It is stored the egg temporarily. Okay. Then both the openings opens into the urinary bladder. So while the female lays the egg on the water, the males lay that sperm over the surface of the egg. So that is the general fertilization method in frog. So externally the fertilization was happen inside the water. So this is the continuation of the frog. So this picture shows the life cycle of frog. So எக்ஸ்ல இருந்து tadpole. ஸோ இந்த tadpole பாருங்க அந்த யோக்கே வச்சு சாப்பிட்டுட்டு இருக்கும். தென் tadpole எக்ஸ்டர்னல் கில்ஸ் வந்து எக்ஸ்டர்னலாகவே இருக்கும். அதை வச்சு தான் ரெஸ்பயர் பண்ணும். இட் இஸ் ஹேங்கிங் ஆன் த லீஃப் ஃபவுண்ட் இன் தி வாட்டர் பிளான்ட். தென் இட் பிகம்ஸ் வித் ஸ்மால் லிம்ஸ். தென் ரெண்டு லிம்ப் ஃபார்ம் ஆன பிறகு the tail started to shrink. ஸோ பாருங்க, then adult frog comes out from the water.